Hey there friends, thanks for checking in at SHOT Show 2018. I have something here, very innovative, made by Trailblazer Firearms. It's called a Lifecard 22 long rifle. It's a single shot 22 long rifle, the size of a credit card, made for a pocket gun. You know, it's sort of a backup or a backup to your backup, whatever you want to use it for. It's pretty cool. It has two levers here. This lever you just pull down to lock in the barrel and the grip. Here we're going to open up the tilt barrel, just like that, load a 22 long rifle, all right? Right there, we hit those levers back to put it into place, and then we just pull or charge the striker, and now what we have here is a single action 4-pound trigger pull. At this point it's ready to go, and it's okay to dry fire, so here we go, just like that, and you get one shot taken off. At that point you can choose to reload it or put it away. At this point, this is actually a safety here. This trigger needs to go into half cock for it to engage back into rest position, and then just like that, it's locked up. Pretty cool, I have to say. You know, I'm looking forward to getting one of these. I've talked to the people at Trailblazer Firearms. They're gonna get one. I'm gonna live fire it for you so that you can see how well it functions on the range. All indications is that it's extremely reliable and actually pretty accurate for not having sights or anything. Completely snag free. Let's take a closer look at some of the other features it has to offer. Another thing I want to show you is built right inside the unit here is an ammo storage. All you do is lock it open like I showed you earlier, and right here you just push this down and it stores 4 rounds of 22 long rifle. Alright, so not only do you have a single shot, but you also have an ammo storage unit right inside the Lifecard. Now you may be looking at this saying, is that really the size of a credit card? Well, I want to show you that it is, because I have my room key right here. Here's the Lifecard 22 long rifle, and you put it right on top and you can see that it is the exact size of a credit card, just like that. So you can throw it in the pocket, you can throw it in any discrete area, and you have a firearm here that holds the total of 5 rounds, 22 long rifle, in a single shot, single trigger pull, right here with this Lifecard. You're gonna be seeing this on the channel. I'm gonna get a hold of one, take it to the range, and let you know what it's capable of. So far, I have to say, I'm pretty impressed. If you like videos like this, please subscribe and share. I always appreciate the thumbs up button. Thanks for watching, and you guys be safe.